Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I am going to do question number 8 from the August 2025 Algebra 1 Regent exam. Just as in question number 7, the calculator really won't help you with this one. You have to know your properties in order to get this question. So let's kind of go through this, right? So basically, we got this quadratic equation. It's x squared plus 6x equals a negative 8. Now, you know, like when you're trying to use the quadratic formula, you gotta set the quadratic equation equal to 0. So that's what's going on here. They're gonna move that negative 8 to the other side. How do they do that? Well, they're just doing the opposite. They're adding 8 to both sides. And that's how we get this. So I added 8 to both sides. So I added 8 on both sides of the equation or the equality. So I added. It's the addition property of equality. That's what I did. I added 8 to both sides. Now, the associative property. The associative property is just this. If I do 2 times 3 plus 5, or actually, let's do it this way, times 5, right? This is the associative property. If you regroup them, these are equal to each other. That's the associative property. Now, the commutative property is this. 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2. So if you change the order, that's the commutative property. And the zero property of addition is if you add 2 plus 0, you just get 2. Okay? No big deal, right? We rarely see this, but they do sometimes have commutative property. Sometimes they have associative property, but that's it. If you're moving something across an equation from one side to the other side, or from this side to this side, you're going to be dealing with some property of equality, right? Remember that. That's all it is. If you need some review on the properties, let me know. I've got a Delta Math assignment that you guys can go back through, but it's pretty straightforward. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this one.